you can see right here that I have no gutter guard right here on the very end, and that is just in case debris comes down through the gutter. It allows me a good way to be able to clean that out just by hand without having to remove anything. And let me turn on, let's see here, we got lights. So, you can see there's water in here. The piping is looking pretty clean at the beginning of this. Definitely not seeing any blockages. We'll see how well it takes this turn here in a second. So, come back. Just going to have to see if it will turn or what it's going to do here. Okay. You can see we are in the water. And yeah, I mean, we've got some sediment floating around there. Let's see if we can change the light settings. Oh, we don't want to turn them off, huh? Got an air pocket there at the top. So, as you could see, the pipe is not near as dirty as some of you all claim that it may be.